Hi guys, welcome to Organic Facts. In this video, we will talk about the 8 surprising benefits of corn that will help you improve your health in many wonderful ways. If you like munching on popcorns, then you would love to know that corn, rich in vitamins, helps to moisturize skin. Corn is rich in beta-carotene that helps prevent age-related diseases like macular degeneration. If you want to put on weight in a healthy way, including corn in your diet is one of the best ways to do that. Regular consumption of corn is known to counter anemia caused by iron deficiency. Snacking on fries might be risky for your heart, but popcorns are a safe bet. They help lower the levels of LDL, or bad cholesterol. The fiber content in corn helps bulk up the bowel movements, thereby preventing constipation and irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. Corn is rich in phytochemicals that regulate the insulin levels and helps prevent spikes and drops in blood sugar levels. Ferulic acid is an anti-carcinogenic agent found in corn. It is known to fight tumors that lead to the occurrence of breast and liver cancer. The easiest way to add corn to your diet is by adding it to your salads with a dash of lime juice and olive oil. Make sure not to overdo it while eating corn, as it can lead to obesity.
If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. If you are new to the channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss a video from Organic Facts.